Hey guys, welcome to TechBase. Today I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to archive and unarchive chat on Facebook Messenger. It's pretty simple, so let's get started. First, open Facebook Messenger on your mobile device. Long press the chat that you want to archive. Now select Archive. Now you have successfully archived your chats. If you want to unarchive the chat, tap on the three vertical lines at the top left of your screen. Tap on Archive. Here you can see all the chats that you have archived. To unarchive the chat, simply long press the chat and select Unarchive. Tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left of your screen. Select Chats. Now, as you can see, you have successfully unarchived your chat. And that's it. This is how you archive and unarchive chats on Facebook Messenger. Thank you for watching TechBase. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.